how should we prepare for some of these things? That if say a banswa justification wo say somebody say ya must start to say na de no ye nyina nso so ye ka ho be ne mami
so John mami na was
ye chene kakra na fi ye nkwanim
unim say ene ukupie mo the polling stations are my Ghana more MPP ye membership registration it will be our do party no ye party ba why your registration ni be da wo membership ID card da ho but you say BM from the 1st to 31st obi anko ni polling station na onko register okwa afa voters ID obi afa ko for Ghana card ko party membership card no old one bi wo no afa ko because the membership card that na wo card ni no ni nyina na ye be record okwa na afa GPS and house address ID aka call polling station na ko yeden ko register ko churudin ya da mu nyina amase baby a wodin community ye no eno de ese bi ese nye ye ne ye kan de me kan wati ase ena no ye nyina sa me jamfi ye te ne nka o se bomba etutu wo Russia ni Ukraine war no ebi ama ye den ameto Ghana sa sem no kan so na eye no kre se bombo no ebi ameto Ghana so bet mampani mahama o hwe campaign time no mu ho na ninsem bia no woka o Ghana ne se wokasa the way I obesi aka asema chechire ninsem mo no na opekwan bi obefa so de sobo no abo MPP aban ne kufodo aban a sa abre no na omuti akonwa so bet hu se okopie mu amanone a na okọ those international conferences ne adena ne kasa waka wo hono no o admit accept say Russia ni Ukraine war no enya nsunsan so bone wo Ghana ni wiase ama ahudo so nyina ye dwedie ni sikasem but essence politics ni niema se bio yengumi nua ho fi na me metina kunwa so de politicians are very very good at it so nti oyeye ejina so ma Ghana for traba no e ma ne be ye mampani na nsem bi amanfo bi keka ne say ase kama we di abantem dodo so
but say you any impact bi and you can come na
impact but I think say and na ukupie mu wo ntentanfidie no so a aban yi mu nipa bi no ma start o mo yeden o mo kasa say Russia and Ukraine war no ensonsonie ewum so na na chese gradually na there one person mo psych Ghana for adwen ma Ghana for no tiase say injusa so boni bi e beba no munjintum say if Iran ne Israel ne America for
but me sure say at the early stage of this Russia Ukraine is anema no na obi ani ho na o make case say aban no enye better but how long it take here to I don't know maybe be issue
wonu say de wo kan ni no obi ani ho no ma ode ye issue anase wonya adwene po bi say bia ye betimi akwa koduru saa empempenso ayi koduru ye no but ye politics aye no wo my Ghana mu ara ye kokoduru understand bia na nchichiremu bia ne asem bia na yete anu sia ye kan ukahwe ya obi anye and we had the national communications officer of the then opposition party NDC I ne dey were that good border no na ban aba wonye to me he was consistently on it and then videos bebre ho no say say na ka say techeman pro no so and then u can some next ko talk social media na say we video na ko to no ma at any point in time people can reference it and then videos no circulate and utie asema ifri de numa eba na automatically but if say abai de boban what you say
yeah de botechi
and the say crazy mu kran san de botechi
de bo you know techi no
abai de botechi no and one de boban what you say nti eno no wo na wodi kan e de ade na di obi ama Ghana fo bi briso gina so anye gidie say Russia and Ukraine bomb na ibi ameto Ghana
and you want to say we experience
with my experience
the be a similar economic situation
me say na kra me ba o me kasa se we
yeah
omo speculate and we say the bia me kase we are here to inform obi wo no maybe awaye na dwen say bia this year obeye niema ba ko mienu bi ebia especially within the first half of the year ebia dan ho adwuma ebia baby bia ebe hia say obeto materials say bria e wo mi say nipa no betumi na sesika no da ho no ma nese wonye ready so obeye adwuma no kra obetumi kutua na waji receipt na yeden abeto ho because yes na ewum na ne is a village and fan who will be America or Ghana we are in a global village a boundaries keke and a separate one country from the another bianca Ghana ye ko ben potemo baby I say na bianca ye nya edio because you American embassy wa so and even assistance now country be a war not necessarily say be a war a military base American military base no say country ni wo an embassy American embassy in Kwandia we are at risk because they are targeting these American bases are a war any country say or yamana America they make what you see and we share news are free those countries in the banner the prices of this crude oil, the prices of petroleum products are starting here then. A man who knows so. Well, no, he go. Me just say you're gonna watch him. What you see?
Saturday will be 1 week.
But prices are surging. Prices of a nearby ye covered by a man move Tony and I started move pejawa. A petroleum product I've already made mention. Me and you remember him super Al Jazeera near the room say omo that area hon Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE near the they are in that enclave. And now so who say a Japade essay. Automatically say Japade say one way or the other people would want to the government or the country would want to raise revenue. And I call America for more site baby to say issue 2,000 visas. So the idea might not necessarily be about say person will issue those visas in the amount for, but they might want to raise revenue. What does it? And they say Niko Bosso now we apply at the end of the day.
Okay, so
all these things are being put in place. Meaning say the air can say abano and the minimum on funny manya and to track him. On shan't na ho mad the engine semu
and son now become one sem. Yes, sir.
And son wabeka say I didn't yes soon so.
Okay.
But they make what you say because say baby I just see a dequee. And then the moon and nano are more criticizing. So also it's now one the same thing. Ever happen under your watcher. I believe say the best I can say we the second coming of John Dramani Mahama. Obi a wanya kwenya ne bi da Ghana for di ni si nchen a. And can second term ni maybe one man ke di associate no. The last time me ba ha me kan say we say aye me ya say aye John Mahama second term abreso. And ye titi koku ekuafo sika so by 1,000 Ghana. Anka ebeye obi kra bia mampani no odi no odi ato aso anase the first time undi mampani ni bida na wabedi mampani na sadi we yesia okay Ghana for bitim dia chem
me da se minua thank you ma minua opokumensa